Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Thankuzzz Cooking and Crafts. Today I am going to talk a Children's Day speech. Good morning everyone. First I wish you happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. This day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Children fondly call him Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is a very happy day for children. This day is celebrated in many ways. Happy Children's Day to all once again. Thank you.